Hi, good morning, good evening. Welcome to OptionMitraAcademy. This course is designed to give you a clear and structured understanding of options trading. You will learn fundamentals of options trading, risk management techniques, and the right trading mindset needed to navigate real market conditions. Let's begin this learning journey and build a disciplined approach to options trading step by step. Kindly visit our website www.optionmitra.com and enroll in the courses for a step-by-step guide to options trading. Thank you. Happy learning. Once you have completed the fundamentals, the next step is to put this knowledge into real-world execution. Visit our website www.optionmitra.com and enroll in the advanced course for a step-by-step trading setup designed to help you start options trading from day one. Congratulations. You have completed the fundamentals of options trading. Now it's time to move from learning to execution. Enroll in the advanced course for a step-by-step trading setup designed